Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create responsive tags, think hashtags or colorful topic labels, right inside Figma. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make a reusable hashtag component that automatically adapts to whatever text you want, and you'll have the power to create an entire set of tags with just a few simple clicks. This is a must-have trick for anyone designing apps, websites, or even social media graphics, so let's dive right in. Alright, let's get started by creating our base hashtag. Open up Figma and on a blank canvas or within your current project, select the text tool. Simply type out your hashtag, the classic hash, in some text like design or trending. This text is what your tag will display and you can change it up later, so don't worry too much about what you write right now. Now here, where we make our tag both good-looking and functional. With your hashtag text selected, we want to create a frame around it. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Frame Selection, or by using the shortcut if you're comfortable with that. The frame acts like a container. Imagine a luggage tag wrapping perfectly around your text, but right now it's just a blank border. Let's add some flair. With the frame selected, head over to the right-hand panel and pick a fill color. This will be the background of your tag. Choose something bright and noticeable, maybe a nice blue or green, whatever fits your design. But here's the magic part that makes your tags responsive: auto layout. Select your frame again and in the right panel, click plus on Auto Layout. What this does is it ensures your frame will always adjust to fit the length of your text, keeping your hashtag centered and spaced nicely, no matter if it's design or super long example. This is super important because without Auto Layout, your tags would stay one size, and longer or shorter hashtags would mess up your design and consistency. So don't skip this step. Next, let's turn this into a component. With your frame selected, hit Ctrl plus Shift plus K or right-click and choose Create Component. Components are like master versions of your design elements. Think of it like making a cookie cutter. Once you have a component, you can make as many instances, copies of your tag as you want, and if you ever update the master, all the copies can update too. It's a huge time saver. Now you'll see that your new hashtag tag component is available in the Assets panel. To make another tag, hold down Alt and drag your component onto the canvas. Instantly, you have a fresh copy. You can click into the fill color and change it up, maybe make one red, another purple, whatever matches your project. And you can keep repeating this process, Alt-drag to duplicate, tweak the color, edit the text if you need to. In just a few minutes, you'll have a beautiful, flexible set of tags for any design. And that's really it, pretty simple but super powerful. If anything feels a little tricky, don't worry. It might take a few tries to get the hang of auto layout and components, but with some practice, you'll breeze through this process. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share how you're using these responsive tags in your projects, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more Figma tips and design tutorials. See you in the next one.